Give yourself a little bit of breathing room right now, dear Leo. This is really important for you because for as long as you don't give yourself this breathing room that I'm referring to, you're going to, it's almost like you're building something, you put the wrong screws in and you've tightened these screws really hard, and what you're building has taken days to build. Then you got to go back and go look at the manual and realize, oh shit, I've done it all wrong, so to speak. And you got to now go back and unscrew all of this, rebuild it all over again. And that's just an analogy that's come to me. I know I'm not the best at analogies, but that's what's come to me at the moment. And so for the Leos, just give yourself some breathing room. Give everything in your life at the moment a little bit of breathing room. Be mindful of these rules that you're so tempted to put into place, as though the rules are going to give you some form of control and some form of, perhaps even some form of relief. I don't know that that's exactly what's going to happen. So for you, and understand that what you're looking for is relief. Actually, that's probably a really good idea. Take the time to recognize what you're looking for is relief. And maybe even a question you can ask yourself is, what am I looking to feel relieved of? And just hold space for that question. Holding space means you're not trying to fix, change, improve. There's no judgment. You allow the question to sit exactly as it does. And through some quiet space, the answer arises for you.